Welcome to Byte Further. In today's video, you'll learn how to fix an iPhone 15 yellow screen. So, you find the iPhone 15 has a yellowish tint on the screen while comparing to your previous iPhone 14 or iPhone 11 or other devices. It doesn't show the pure white color on the display. Instead, the screen brightness tends to yellow. You're not alone, and other users complain that the iPhone 15 screen turns yellow completely. When it comes to what causes the yellow screen issues, here are a few common factors. iOS updates that alter settings, software bugs, screen cracks from drops, calibration shifts and so on could result in changes to display colors. But don't worry. We'll show you how to fix yellow screen on iPhone 15 and bring the display back to its normal color. Don't forget to give this video a like or a super thanks if you think this video is good and helps. Now, let's start with tweaking the display color settings. Step 1. Disable the night shift mode. Night shift is a feature that helps reduce eye strain and improve sleep quality. How it works is shifting the display's color to a warmer temperature, which makes the screen look yellow. You can take a look if this feature is accidentally enabled, then the display of iPhone 15 has yellow tint. Here's how to do that. Open your iPhone 15 settings app. Tap on Display and Brightness. Scroll down a little bit to find and choose Night Shift. In the next screen, locate the Scheduled and Manually Enable Until Tomorrow option. If one of them is enabled, tap their toggles to switch off. Now, check if the yellow tint disappears and your iPhone 15 screen displays normal colors. Step 2. Switch off the True Tone feature. True Tone is another feature that could adjust the display's color temperature. It makes the screen appear more natural and improves the viewing experience by adjusting the colors to be warmer or cooler depending on the ambient lighting conditions. Follow these instructions to see if iPhone 15 yellow screen issues result from this feature. Navigate to the Settings app. Choose Display and Brightness. Locate the True Tone feature. Ensure that this switch is set to off. Now, check if your iPhone 15 display appears the usual bright white or vibrant colors normally. Step 3. Turn off low power mode on your iPhone 15. Low power mode aims to extend the battery life by limiting some certain features, and screen brightness and color is one of them. A decrease in brightness can diminish the vibrancy of colors, making your iPhone 15 screen look really yellow. To avoid the low power mode giving your screen a slightly yellowish appearance, turn it off using these instructions. Head to the Settings app on your iPhone 15. Tap on Battery. Locate the low power mode option. If it's on, tap it to turn off the feature. If it's the problem, you should manage to return the iPhone 15 screen to its default colors. Step 4. Adjust the color filters. An accidental configuration on color filters can sometimes lead to an unexpected yellowish tint on your iPhone 15. Turn off the color filters to adjust your screen back to a neutral color tone. Here's what you need to do. Tap the Settings app to open it up. Select Accessibility. Choose Display and Text Size. Scroll down to find and tap Color Filters. If it's enabled, then it could be the reason why your iPhone 15 screen becomes yellow. Just turn off the Color Filters option. Your iPhone 15 should quickly return back to a normal screen color where white looks white and not yellow. Step 5. Force your iPhone 15 to reboot. If nothing changes and your iPhone 15 screen still goes yellow after the configurations on color settings, it's time to try more advanced tricks. Let's begin with forcing the device to reboot. It helps clear unknown system glitches and cache that hinder the screen color functionality. It's also a go-to solution to fix the yellow screen of death on iPhone 15 with no data loss. We'll show you the tutorial below. You can use the same instructions to force restart an iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max. Press the volume up key then immediately release. Press the volume down key then immediately release. Press the power key and hold it for a while. After your device shuts down then shows up an Apple logo, let go of the power key. Your iPhone 15 will boot up soon. Hope this trick will help you get rid of the yellow screen of death on iPhone 15. Step 6. Let iPhone 15 enter recovery mode. If the forced restart is no avail, another iPhone 15 yellow screen solution is to access the recovery mode to start troubleshooting. It offers an update option to exclude the outdated OS that makes the screen appear yellowish. It also provides a restore option that can delete everything on the device and bring it back to its most original status to eliminate the yellow display bugs. You'll need to prepare a computer and download a specific application. Follow these steps to get started. Open your computer that you frequently use. If you use a Windows computer or a Mac with Mac OS Mojave or earlier, run iTunes or Apple Devices app. If you use a Mac with Mac OS Catalina or later, run Finder or Apple Devices app. Connect your iPhone 15 to the computer and put it into recovery mode. Press the volume up key once, then immediately press the volume down key once. Then, press and hold the power key for a few seconds. When the screen goes past the Apple logo and displays a restore screen like this, release the power key. Your iPhone 15 now is in recovery mode. Let your device stay connected to the computer and go to the application window. There will be a dialog box popping up from the window. If you don't see it, click your device name or icon to trigger it to open up. The dialog box will show two options, Update and Restore. Next, move the mouse cursor to select Update first to install the latest iOS into your iPhone 15. Finish the instructions that follow, then wait until the update process completes. This won't affect any saved data and files on your device. After your iPhone 15 boots up, check if the screen returns to its normal brightness and color. If the yellow tint problems still remain, then your next step is to repeat the step and perform a restore. As this will erase everything on your device and bring it back to its factory defaults, it's suggested to confirm if you have backups first before trying. After the restore, you should manage to fix the yellowish iPhone 15 screen and restore the normal screen color. Step 7. Start a support contact. Now, you've attempted all the troubleshooting steps you can try on your own. If your iPhone 15 screen is still yellow, it's important to determine whether the display is defective or the connectors are loose. This problem might arise if the phone has recently fallen or been exposed to liquid. If you need help, simply schedule a repair at the nearby Apple Authorized Service Center and bring your iPhone 15 in for a diagnosis. That's all for how to fix iPhone 15 yellow screen issues. If you find this video helpful, please buy a super thanks for this video and give this video a like. Your support means a lot to us to deliver more useful videos to help those in need. Also, if you have any further questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below and I'll reply ASAP. To learn more tech tips about iPhones, subscribe to the Byte Further channel. Now, you can click another video on the screen to keep watching.